do you have a question? What is your question?
Why the coconut say nut?
Why is it a nut?
Yeah, that way if you put coconut and cocoa and nut, it will turn to nut.
Will it nut?
It will turn to coconut.
Coconut. There. And what is your question?
That's why the coconut is a cocoa fruit.
The coconut is a cocoa fruit. Yes. How about cocoa?
It's not the same name.
What is the cocoa?
It means live in a jungle.
It lives in the jungle, or you can get it from the jungle. What do you
If
make
you
with the
put
cocoa?
Cocoa and beans, it will turn to cocoa beans.
What are cocoa beans?
They are beans.
Yeah, what do you make from the cocoa beans?
It's in the jungle.
Yeah, what do you make with the cocoa beans?
Eat it into chocolate.
They become chocolate.
Yeah.
They make chocolate.
Yes.
How about
And
coconut?
when they go, when they grow into big,
How about coconut?
it's not the same. It's that says cocoa.
Okay.